Hello and welcome to Kiri's Car Store, where we have this beautiful BMW X5 finished in Tanzanite blue. This car has black styling on the grille, 360 cameras, BMW LED headlights, upgraded alloy wheels, upgraded front splitter, side skirts, diffuser and spoiler. Incredible looking with the kit. Black styling around the window with privacy glass to the rear of the car, reverse parking sensors, reversing camera and a tow bar as well. Inside we have an M Sport leather steering wheel, cruise and multimedia functions, ivory leather throughout, M Sport stitching in the seat belts, panoramic glass sunroof, that's electrically operated, dual zone climate control with heated seats, automatic gearbox, selectable drive modes including full electric, adjustable ride height and digital dashboard. This car will come with a 12-month 12,000 km warranty from Kiri's Car Store, and if you have any questions please let us know.